Hello and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you the latest updates from across the nation, state and region. Have a look. CCTV footage from Hathigaon, Guwahati shows a minor jumping into a drain around 5:30 a.m. on August 31st after being denied ₹1,000 by his mother. Recovered at 10:39 a.m., the boy said he jumped out of fear of being beaten. Locals noted this isn't his first incident of jumping into drains for money. Later, he called his mother from Sijubari saying he was having tea and instructing her not to search for him. An anti-narcotics operation on the outskirts of Guwahati resulted in the seizure of 19 soap cases of suspected heroin from a car. Conducted by Jorabad police on Saturday, the operation led to the arrest of 45-year-old Sultan Ahmad Laskar from Uttar Mohanpur village. Acting on intelligence, police intercepted the vehicle with registration AS25J3055 around 7:30 a.m. The heroin, weighing approximately 262 grams, was found hidden in the car's body. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma clarified that the decision to end the 2-hour Jummah prayer break in the Assam Assembly was unanimously made by both Hindu and Muslim MLAs. He stated the break, in place since 1937, was discontinued after an unanimous decision by the Assembly members. The Kanish Ali Sharif Nagar Panchayat office near Karimganj is criticized for staying closed until noon daily, causing inconvenience for visitors from remote areas. Despite Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma's directive, staff neglects their duties, with frequent absences reported, including the secretary. A severe fire erupted in North Boitabari's Bachbari area on Friday, killing an elderly couple and burning down 3 shops. The fire started in a local market and was worsened by a gas cylinder explosion. Despite quick efforts from firefighters, the blaze spread rapidly and destroyed the tea shop where Dulal Bhattacharya and Kaushalya Bhattacharya lived. Sadly, the couple died in the fire. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 3 new Vande Bharat Express trains, enhancing connectivity in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. These new additions will expand a network of over 100 Vande Bharat Express trains connecting more than 280 districts. Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat showed strong support for the ongoing farmers' protest by joining demonstrators at the Shambhu border on the 200th day of their agitation. Addressing the crowd, Phogat, a steadfast advocate for the farmers' cause, declared, "Your daughter is with you," reaffirming her commitment to their struggle. A helicopter being transported by an Mi-17 crashed into the Mandakini River on Saturday morning after detaching mid-flight near Kedarnath Dham in Uttarakhand. The Mi-17, operated by the Indian Army, was en route to Gochar airstrip for repairs when strong winds and the helicopter's weight caused it to lose balance. The detached helicopter fell through the hills before landing in the river. The India Meteorological Department reports that Cyclone Asna, once near the Northeast Arabian Sea, close to Kutch and Pakistan, has moved westwards and is now 310 km west of Nalia, Gujarat. The cyclone is expected to continue moving away from the Indian coast in the next 24 hours, bringing relief to Gujarat residents. No heavy rainfall is anticipated in the state for the next 5 days. At a campaign rally in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, a man attempted to rush the stage while former President Donald Trump was speaking. He nearly reached the press area but was swiftly restrained by police and subdued with a taser. This incident follows a recent assassination attempt where a bullet grazed Trump's ear and another shot missed him in Butler, Pennsylvania. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
हाय प्रियंका, कैसी है?
हाय, बस तू कैसी है?
मैं भी बढ़िया। क्या बात है, नई स्कूटी लेने का सोच रही है?
हाँ यार, नई स्कूटी लेनी है, लेकिन मंगलदुई में कहाँ लूँ, किस पे भरोसा करूँ, पता नहीं ना यार।
अरे क्यों, श्री साई मोटर्स है ना, यहाँ तुझे अच्छी स्कूटी तो मिलेगी ही, साथ ही में अच्छे ऑफर्स और अच्छी सर्विसेज भी मिलेंगी।
फिर तो मुझे आज ही जाके लेना चाहिए श्री साई मोटर्स से स्कूटी, और फिर हम लोग चलेंगे लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
क्या आप अपने नए टू व्हीलर की तलाश में है तो आज ही आए मंगलदोई भिभार घाट के श्री साई मोटर्स में। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे बेहतरीन ऑप्शंस, शानदार ऑफर्स और भरोसेमंद सर्विस। अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9289922889 पर या 98649580557 पर। श्री साई मोटर्स, आपके भरोसे का नाम।